So we are smack in the middle of this coronavirus quarantine, and I needed some more solution for my Swiffer WetJet. Went on Amazon, $40 for 2 bottles. That's crazy. No way I'm paying that. So I did a little searching online and I found a way that you can make your own solution with just a few simple products that you probably already have at home. And of course, step 1 was take the cap off the bottle, but no matter how hard you turn, you can't get it off. So let's dive into this. Let's get this bottle open, then we'll make the solution, and you'll have some WetJet for life. All right, let's go. So you gotta boil up this water. I took the liberty of doing that already. Once you have your water boiled, you can turn the fire off, and we're gonna take the bottle and place it in here for 90 seconds. I'll use my trusty Alexa, set a 90-second timer.
130 seconds, starting now.
And there you go, and now we wait. All right, 90 seconds is up. We're gonna take this out right now. Now it is going to be hot, so do not touch it. I'm gonna use this dish rag right here, put it on, and just like that, it turns right off. So, 90 seconds, cap's off. Now let's make the solution. Let's go. This only involves 3 household items, and one of them is water from your sink. So, first thing, distilled white vinegar. This big bottle should cost you about anywhere between $3 and it's $5 right now during the Corona crisis. And we need 1 cup of that, 1 cup of water, and a little bit of dish soap. Now when you run out of that, well, that's another problem. But all we gotta do here is mix the water and the vinegar. That's done. And then we'll wait for this to come out. All you need here is about 3 or 4 drops. Just saw 1 go in there. Put a little extra in for fun. We'll give this a little mix. Just get it all together there. And now we're gonna go ahead and pour this in using the funnel so we don't make a huge mess. Turns out, 2-cup mixture filled this thing perfectly. So that's it. You can see with a bottle of vinegar this size, this is a gallon, you're gonna get a ton of refills out of this. Of course, very little dish soap needed, and just water from the sink. So there it is, unlimited refills in the Swiffer, and I'll see you next time.